Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Chiliz has broken out a down channel and also read the target for the down channel breakout as well. And at the same time, it was also moving inside a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And this was one of those videos, but in fact, my last video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then this was the down channel that I've been showing in my previous videos. On a 4-hour time frame chart, by the way, we broke down this down channel, broke out the resistance of this down channel. After that, for a few hours, the price has been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Then we broke out this wedge as well. The technical target for this down channels breakout, I was telling you, was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 8.3 cents. And you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target up to 9 cents, and the price is again moved down. For a while, we broke out this long-term resistance of 7.6 cents, and now you can see that we have again broke down this support. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 7.6 cents has been previously breaking as a support here. For a few weeks, it had been breaking as support, and here it was breaking as a resistance, and therefore now again it is breaking as a strong resistance for the price line. And now after the breakout and breakdown, we will again need to break out this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very huge falling wedge pattern that the price line of Chiliz has formed on this 7 days time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Chiliz that I shared a few hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ADX, you just need to click on the link and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared almost 3 days ago, and you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone, the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Chiliz that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Chiliz has just completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this is the complete trade signal. Buying on and the sell target on the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is slightly geared up, and I'm expecting that soon it will hit this sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Chiliz. And this is the weekly. First of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the channels breakout that we have been following in my previous videos. And after the breakout, the price then rallied very well. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that within next few days, it has come down almost 68%. And for a while, we broke out this long-term resistance of 7.6 cents, but again, we have broken it down. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 7.6 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and before that, it had been breaking as a support here for a few days here. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price. And on the 7 days time frame chart, the price and it's still breaking out this resistance. And on a 4-hour time frame chart, we've for a while we broke it out, but again, we have broken it down. Now we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel, and we need to break out this resistance of 7.6 cents. And after that, the next major resistance will be here at 10 cents. And I'm expecting that once it will be able to break out this resistance and read the 10 cents resistance, and at the same time, it can also hit this long-term resistance of falling wedge pattern as well. For example, if the price then hits the resistance of 10 cents here, then first we will need to break out the resistance of 10 cents. Then it can hit the resistance of falling wedge pattern here at 11 cents. And if the price then will be moved in this way, like here, then it can hit both resistance levels together. And I'm expecting that it can move in this way to hit the resistance, both resistance levels here. And then it will need to break out this crisscross of two resistance levels here. And once the price end of Chiliz will be able to break out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, Then long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 90 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.